Hey Gary's tour fans, we're besieged with bad weather occasionally, but this is part of our walking tour of Killarney. Today, or actually tonight because it's getting late, we're going to do a walking tour of the alleys and narrow streets of Killarney. We're on High Street now, so we're going to approach our first alley. This doesn't go anywhere, so I'm not going down that alley. But the first alley we can go down will take us somewhere I'm going to go down. This is Penneys. No relationship to J.C. Penneys in New York, but a really good store. Very inexpensive prices. We're coming to our first alley. Hogan's Alley, Hogan's Lane. We're going to go down Hogan's Lane and see what we see. I see a restaurant. Don't know what kind of restaurant it is. I see the back of Penneys store. There's a lot of people in Europe pulling their own bags around. More so than you see in the U.S. They'll arrive at the railroad station and have to walk to a hotel. This is office furniture. Office requirements, whole lot. Office furniture and office supplies. Cool. We'll keep doing this till it rains. Eventually it'll rain. And this street doesn't have much. It's an old hair salon out of business. And Kodak. And Fujifilm, a photo shop and framing shop. That's rare these days. Not much film anymore. And then we have Flair for Hair, a hair shop. Okay, that's one alley. Well, let's see what other alleys we can find. Alleys and narrow streets. I previewed them last night. There's some fairly interesting things on them. We may be at a dead end here. Let's see if we are. Yep, dead end.